everybody. I hope all of you guys have done with your pre-CAT and now it's the time to give you the results of the pre-CAT, the most awaited thing which everybody has been waiting for since morning. I hope the exam was good. I mean, I'm sure you guys would have had some kind of technical issues. Laptop nahi chal raha hai, ya desktop system atak gaya, or calculator is not visible, or you have people talking around in the backside, or there's some music or something playing around in your neighborhood. Well, that's the objective of the pre-CAT, because that's what you never know. Your actual CAT exam center could have the same situations, right? So that's it. That was the objective, to give you the feel of the exam. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you and how you felt, and what kind of problems you faced. Actual exam mein kuch problem aayegi to you'll not panic now. Alright, so that's the good thing. But let's talk first about the analysis of the exam. Most of the students, I have got the similar feedback, but let's look at what the all sections were. The quant section was, I would say, moderate to tough. Why? Because there were certain questions which you weren't able to solve. It would have taken time. Like on an average, if I say per question, you would take around 3 to 4 minutes. Certain questions of geometry were easy. Some of them were a little tricky. And there were a couple of extra questions coming on probably from your modern maths, what you would have felt. So that's a good thing, because actual exam ke baad bhi guys are going to come and say the same thing. Ki ma'am, quants na tough tha. Quants nahi ho paya. That's the trend, how it has been, right? So quants was overall moderate to tough. 16 to 18 questions correct is good in that section. Alright. Then when we talk about your verbal section, this was easy. Okay, one of the reasons why this was easy is, I think, because most of you guys would have been attending all the verbal Wednesdays. So CAT King students का तो verbal वैसे ही strong होता है. So I'll say easy to moderate for the others who have not been studying so much on verbal. But सिर्फ RCs थोड़े lengthy थे. Parajumbles, if you know the tricks which we talk about, the building that connections, finding two which are most obvious together, and the starting statement. If you remember those techniques of Rahul sir, Parajumbles would have been easy, would not have been tough. Alright, so that's the easy to moderate of the entire verbal section. 20 plus आराम से आप attempt कर सकते हो. Actual CAT में भी guys 20 plus verbal में तो करना ही करना है. जो तो आपने 25 plus correct questions कर लिए, you are sorted your 99 plus percentile. Alright, so that should be your objective. एक किसी section में 99 ले आओ, overall 99 हो जाएगा. Alright, so keep that in mind. Last was the LRDI section. This was actually a little tricky questions were there, so overall moderate. Some of them people felt in the questions were a little difficult and were wrong questions, especially the question where it talks about the boys and girls, the graph. But any smart kid would have been able to understand that actually the questions already were giving you the hint which graph is for what and how it was represented. And trust me guys, question wrong hai, do not keep on assumptions on that in CAT. If you feel that way, कि कोई question लगा wrong है CAT में, attempt ही मत करना, leave that, don't waste your time, because if it was wrong and you still attempted, you will end up getting wrong answers, marks तो आपके गए, they're not going to give you any consideration, ठीक है? So keep that idea in mind for sure about the same. Overall, easily you could have attempted 12 to 15 questions. So this is like, how the overall paper was. Quants, moderate to tough. Verbal, easy to moderate. LRDI, again, moderate. Okay, to understand more each your question wise and the solutions towards the same, कुछ questions which you felt कि correct थे, wrong थे, जो भी है, you can now log on to your systems once again on the same login and password and go check the section wise, question wise analysis. See all the solutions. In fact, deep dive into it. Like if you spend 5 minutes on certain questions, see the solution, how could you have solved it in 3 minutes? How could you have saved more time कि एक question और extra हो जाता उसमें attempt, ठीक है? So make sure you do a good 3 hours analysis tomorrow on your entire paper, alright? And that's about the paper. But the good thing is, if you guys remember, top 50 students were going to get some prizes. So winners top 50 is published onto the website. You can check the link which is given below. But let's look at the top 5 which is there. So the top ranker we have Hemant 209. Very good, I must say, congratulations. It's a good score, okay. Then we have Pallavi 197. I think I have spoken to her over a call. We have Nikhil Jaiswal. He's one of our Pawai students with 175. Kapil Desai with 166 and Webber with 158. Congratulations guys for making it to the top 5. We will contact tomorrow to rest of the winners as well also and see how to go further ahead. But don't take it कि pre-cat में आ गया तो life sorted है boss, 209 आ गए, actual में भी आ जाएंगे, not necessary. So make sure you pull up the next 3 weeks and gear up fully कि I have to cross 240 because then your objective should be कि मुझे 100% लाना है. ठीक है? So keep that in mind. And since a lot of students were requesting and saying we want to go with it again, we weren't able to give it because we weren't sure are we prepared or not, and now that your friends have given it, pan India students requesting, so on their request we are going to be extending the pre-cat. It will be called as your real mock experience, not at the centers. You can give it at your home anytime you feel like, so you guys can register for the same as well also. That will be active till 20th of November, so make sure you guys definitely give it because it is at par with your actual CAT level exams. And trust me, 24th code, this is what you are going to come and tell me. The same sectionals, difficulty level and everything. So let's give an experience towards your actual CAT. Once again, for any other doubts, questions you have regarding the pre-CAT exam, or you want us to focus on any particular topics to help you revise and score better after you're done with your analysis, drop in the comments and we'll take care of doing that. All the best, do well.